lower, lower. Tell me, tell me, tell me when. Tell me, sweet Vanessa, when will you give me your love? Oh, Vanessa, tell me when. Mate, girl, tell me when. Rubber falling all over again. Ooh, tell me, sweet then. Tell me when. Rubber falling all over again. One drop. Remember all the times when we used to have fun. We used to love you for la granny. Go up I am grown and hiding at the grass so me dig out the plum. Run when me you say that granny you come tell me when. Rubber falling all over again. Tell me sweet. Tell me when. Rubber falling all over again. Ooh, tell me sweet Ben. So I'll prove this to you starting tonight. I'm gonna prove my love, yeah. I'll take my time, boy. You'll see. You haven't known your question chances. Oh no, I'll prove this to you. Whoa, whoa. Stop it. No Massive and Crew. I was instructed around the back, you know, that we have like 40, 11 more artists to perform. Yeah, Jean, I say. So you are, my little park and limited. Sin, what is it, baby? You pay for me. That's a, yeah, man. I understand. I'm love it. I respect that to the max. Sin. So it's right now. I just leave and I look at being a piece of tune and those. You know what I say? Cause we hold up on them line up. You know what I say? And I want to get something straight. Never get a chance to rehearse with the band and thing. But the band really and truly do it best. So I beg to give them a round of applause. I'm a friend, them, you know.
Yo, caution! Caution!
So I'm going to tell them a little thing and sing a little piece of tune. Yeah, so I'm just a look at me. Yeah. Now you are. So that tune them I sing. We don't know, so the man them come out tonight with them Empress. So Rafi make the man them feel nice too. When I say, some more the man them does grab them Empress and does. You know what I'm talking about? That tune I dedicate to the other man and them. And you know, say, every man knows supposed to hold them woman and just look at them eye and just tell her this. Love has played the games of me so long. Started to believe I'd never find anyone. Doubt has tried to convince me to give in, but you can't win. No, but one day the sun comes shining through. The rain has stopped and the skies are blue. And oh, what a revelation to see. Someone was saying I love you to me. Compassion and send to me us to rock of love calling you. A one in a million you. A one in a million. One love.
Why you say Poland? You really love singing, man. Thriller you, right? Oh, is that true?
Yo.
This next artist, if a lady is disrespect his man, he will look at him and tell him, say, first thing early Monday morning. Well off. Well off, I get a whole heap of bus. Shaka Fame, take the show. Alright? Thank you, Portland. Alright? Love you.
Blessed is the man who walketh not to the counsel of the ungodly, nor standeth in the ways of sinners, nor sitteth in the seat of the scornful. But his delight is in the law of the Lord, and in his law do we meditate day and night. Church! We've got to give thanks and praise to the Most High God first. And if you all love the Almighty, let me hear you say, blessed! When a man asks give time on, tell him you have to give thanks. Because your mouth is a dangerous weapon. And if you tell yourself that time is hard, time will always be hard. Don't you believe me? You have to think positive. What do you say? Ladies, you're looking really beautiful tonight. Gotta say a special eye to all the damsels in the house, right? You gotta say enough respect to all the gents. Put on 20 massive, are you ready? Let me answer, yeah, yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Portland Splash 1999. Have you ever heard about an album called Sweeter? Simmer down to me. Simmer down. Have you ever heard about an album called Sweeter? Huh? Music lovers. You never heard about that?
Sitting up here so tough when I hear nothing. My friend complain and tell me some want to fix before me deal with my segment. But we just like to say good night to all the nice and decent people outside of Portland and around Kingston, Jamaica. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Sweet, Handsome, Blessed, and very, 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 very nice singing melody. Welcome to the show, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take it again one more time. Yeah, ready. You know up to some man now, them run one too much. I don't wanna be a player no more. Players, I found someone I could live my life for. Players, I don't wanna be a player no more. Players, I found someone I could live my life for. I'm yours, you might for sure. I had enough running life. I'm switching up my whole lifestyle. Cause I don't wanna lay the way I used to know. I'm giving up the booty calls, spilling seed on the top. No leaving with 2 or 3 girls to hit me up. Cause all I need is the one who's really down. Someone to turn this player life around. And girl, I feel like you could be the one, baby, to make a difference in my life. Cause I'm tired of living trying. I don't wanna be a player no more. Players, I found someone I could live my life for. I'm yours, you're mine for sure. Don't wanna be a player no more. Players, I think I found someone I could live my life for. I'm yours, this time. No rolling with the random bras. Celeb style like a movie star. Sitting down with the ladies all around me. Jumping girls off for the waves of the morning. Getting some that lying and lying. A true player never get the chance to sleep. Oh no, 'cause all I need is the one who's really down. Someone to turn this player's life around. I'm gonna feel like you could be the one, baby, to make a difference in my life. 'Cause I'm tired of living trying. Ladies, are you ready? Oh. Oh, Lord, sing about my first singer in my number. I'm gonna wheel. Yo, put back some money to up your son, father. Warm to the monitor. Just put back the money to up your son, man. Yeah, a little culture thing, you know. Oh, Lord, singing about my baby. My baby. The first thing early in my morning, I'm gonna pack my tears away. Ooh, oh, yeah. You got no cause to look back, 'cause I'll be looking for a better day. We're looking for a better day and nothing but a better day. You said a thing about love, I said it's not enough, and it's the only thing that's gonna bring you to Spain. Comes a time when we could all make a change, darling. So let go, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. You better let it go, let it go, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. You better let it flow, my baby. Take it off. Don't nobody want no broke hearts. Don't nobody want no two-time loser. Oh no, ladies. And don't nobody love you like you are, till it takes whatever it brings away. Baseline. You said a thing of it. You deserve respect. How much you can demand respect without change? 'Cause there's a time when we could go our own way, but we let it go. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. You better win. Different serial right about, guys, you don't know enough. I worries. It's just a night I love something. Ladies, are you ready? Ladies, check this out. Last night, you were so intolerant. You told me secrets that you never told. Not a sound you must have never said. Yet also comfortable as we explore your middle love. I drink your wine as you taste mine. I kiss your lips. You felt my body spell into your soul. I almost cried 'cause it was so beautiful, baby. Last night I was inside. It was last night, baby, while making love to you. Rush on the sun, on the moon, on the mountains and the river. I saw heaven when I make sweet love to you. Baseline. 'Cause I really don't feel like talking on the phone, and I really don't feel like company at all. 'Cause lately I don't wanna do the things I used to do. Baby, since you know what, I lost you. because I don't want to sing a night of love. Will! Yo, this right now, I the ladies sometime, you know. I the ladies sometime. Ready? All right, you start the ladies sometime, I know me say it, you know. You understand? Ladies, I guess now it's God bless you. King. Right now we'd like to say this is where we get on the album. The album is out, it's in the store, it's entitled Sweeter. And right now this album is going places. Right now it's the top album in Japan right about now. So let's take it one more time for the ladies, Simmer. Time for me to give up. I think it's time. I got a picture of you beside me. I've got your lipstick marks along where cover cuffs. Oh yeah. Ooh baby, got a fist of your emotion. I got a hand trying to dreams. I gotta leave it on me right now. Ladies, and whatever I said, whatever I didn't mean it. I just want you back for good. Oh, ladies, and whenever I'm gone, send me the song, I sing it. You'll be right up on the search. See, I want you back. Keep it low. I'm well, but I'm blind. I think that I could stop it, but that wasn't to be. But in the twist of separation, you excel it will free. Can't you find little room inside for me? And whatever I said, whatever I didn't mean it. I just want you back for good. See, I want you back for good. And whenever I'm gone, send me the song, I sing it. You'll be right up on the search. See, I want you back. Let's take it to the bridge. And we'll be together forever, baby. And this time is forever, forever and ever. We'll be fighting, but forever will it be. So to be in a love we would never be uncommon again. And whatever I said, whatever I didn't mean it. I just want you back for good. See, I want you, and whenever I'm gone, just send me the song, I sing it. You'll be right up on the search. Ladies, baby. See, I want you back, baby. There's no more room in the street. I want you, baby. Lady. Thank you, good night. God bless you.
Hey. What no say? That boy they can't sing, not true. And it gets sweeter. Do you want to hear some more? Do you all want to hear some more? Singing ballad in 421, you're a little more.
ladies. Put out some more mic, please. This is one of... Weird. You guys are something else, you know that, right? These guys know that this song is going to drive the ladies wild, so they try to play me to influence me. Okay, let's hear it one more time. The same. You guys are bad, you know that. Oh, lady. You know what? Oh, you made me wanna start a new relationship. See you, this is what you do. Think about a ring and all the things that come along with you. You made me wanna start a new relationship with you. This is what you do. Think about a ring and all the things that come along with it. You made me. Before anything came between us, you were like my best friend. The one I used to run and talk to. Sounding like my friend, right? You used to say it'd be okay. Suggest all the nice things I should do. But when I go home, I night to lay my head down, all I seem to think about was you. Oh, you made me wanna leave the one I'm with. Start a new relationship with you. This is what you do. Remembering and all the things that come along with it. You made me. Now you made me wanna leave the one I'm with. Just on a new relationship with you. This is what you do. Thinking about a ring and all the things that come along with you. I was bad, cause you're the one who's looking to stop the one that should be you. I was sad, I love about it falling for you. What should I do? Should I? Should I? Should I? Should I? Start a new relationship with you. This is what you do. Think about it and all the things that... You know something? Take it to Brit. For this choice, the situation I control. I never meant to hurt her, but I gotta let her go. With you, don't understand all the things that going on. I try, but the feeling just so strong. You made me. Oh, what you do, think about it. Oh, baby. Oh, start a new relationship with you. Think about a ring and all the things that come along with. Oh, you made me wanna. Oh, you made me, baby. Oh, you love me, lady. Oh, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, a little more you get the group. L.U.S.T.
Give singing melody a big round of applause. Let me hear for singing melody.